Morning, another overcast day, but a little bit warmer, around 45. It's so cold for Florida. Today we're gonna bring out the big tools. I'm gonna drop chalk line, cut in a border right here from the edge of that wall all the way up to the edge of that wall. A little trick to getting in so you don't have to cut so many pieces is this pattern goes, long, and then it's supposed to be long there, but because it won't fit, I just put another 6x6 block in there. So it will cut right along that line and you'll get your little tiny cut in there without having to measure and cut. And now we don't have to make little micro cuts like that. Nice and straight. Just over 6 1/4. All the way down. No extra cutting. Now just remember, we're gonna cut it at a slight angle in. These were cut in at a slight angle that way. So then we can just drop the pavers right in as we go. Our border is cut in. No little tiny angle cuts. Just went in perfectly. I did, however, hack that one up, so I'm gonna have to recut that brick. But other than that, everything went in really, really well.